Hi everybody, it's Ellen again, back for part 2 in my kitchen with the quick cooker. Today's recipe was, is chicken teriyaki and rice. And in here we have the chicken teriyaki as well as the rice cooking at the same time. So to start this out, we had assembled all the ingredients, and then I custom timed 9 minutes, and then it came to pressure. And then it went through the 9 minutes. And then what we wanted to do was just let it naturally release with 10 minutes on its own. And I was caught up doing things and then I forgot. So anyway, it's been 18 minutes. It's been releasing the steam on its own for 18 minutes. So it's definitely done. I'm going to push the button just to make sure we get all the excess steam out. And which isn't much, but we're gonna make it safe so that we can open the quick cooker. One of the great things with the safety features in this quick cooker or pressure cooker is that you cannot open the lid no matter what if it's in progress. You would actually have to turn it off or wait until the pressure releases, and then the indicator valve will go down and then you can open it up. So as I'm waiting, that's one of the safety features. You know, you can't accidentally open the lid when it's not ready. Another great safety feature is I love that the handles are located at the bottom and it's not the handle up on top. So when you carry it, you don't lift it by the handle. You actually carry it here where there are built-in handles, so it makes it easy to transport. Another feature that I love about our pressure cooker is that it is cool to the touch. So even if it's on and it's in the middle of pressurizing and it's almost done, you won't burn yourself, okay? So if you have a house full of little ones and they accidentally come up and they touch it, they won't burn themselves. And so this is a really great feature about our quick cooker. Okay, so the indicator went down. It's ready to open. I am going to twist it. And then I'm going to remove the lid and place it to the side. Now, when you remove the contents in here, like I have a cradle rack that I lowered in there, and inside sits a ceramic pot, and inside of that is rice. So you want to make sure you have either oven mitts or these are microwave grips, okay? So they're made out of silicone, and so I'm just going to take it off and place it on the side. Make sure you use a trivet to lay this down. I know some of you may have granite countertops or tile or whatever. It's still safe to put a trivet down because you never know. You don't want to damage your countertops at all, okay? So I've set the ceramic pot on the side here, and on it is a silicone lid, okay? I'm just going to put this in the sink. And in here is rice, okay? So I cooked the rice on top of the chicken. All right, so I'm going to remove, there is a stand in here that we use to place the ceramic pot on top. But we can remove that now. And in here is the teriyaki chicken. So I am just kind of playing with the chicken, making sure that it's nice and cooked, which it is. And it smells oh so yummy. So what I'm going to do is I am going to plate some rice right here. And then I'm going to place teriyaki chicken right here. I have some green onions over here to kind of garnish, and there you have it, chicken teriyaki with steamed rice. And this is for dinner tonight for the family. So I hope you enjoy your dinner. And again, this is the quick cooker, and I hope you like that demonstration. If you have any questions, please don't be shy. Always comment or send me a message. And the recipe will be posted on this video link as well. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Again, this is the Quick Cooker. Have a good one. Bye-bye.